Hi guys, this is Mrs. Yukon here. Today I'm going to show you how to sign in on Teams using your Surrey School District username and password. One thing, please keep in mind that you cannot log in using your Hotmail or Gmail or live.com account. It has to be your school email address so that you can see your classes online. Okay, so in case you don't know your username and password, please contact any of your current teachers. They will reset your password for you. Okay, so make sure you go to teams.microsoft.com. Once you click on that, it will redirect you to this screen. So here is going to be your Surrey School email address. So whatever is that, at surreyschools.ca. So put that there. Once you put it there, click next. Okay, so once you click next, it will take you automatically to the Surrey School website where they're going to ask you again to verify your information. So here you are going to enter your username and password. So once again, it is the same username and password, the one you used in school to log in on your school computers. So enter your username and password. So we'll take you down to your Microsoft Teams homepage where you will be able to see your classes if you have already joined them. Okay, so here this is Carmen. She's one of my students. This is her account. She has these 3 classes so far. So if there's a new class, you have to have a code from your teacher. So if you have a code, you click on join or create a team, and here you type up your code. Join a team with the code. Whatever the code your teacher gave it to you, you type it up here and click a join team, and it will take you to your class. So now Carmen has already that class. So this is the one I'm going to show to you. How do you access your teams? So on the right hand side, you will see whatever your teacher have done so far, and if you see any hidden channel, just click on it and then mouse over, click on that little show icon, and it will show that here for you. Okay, see, we have now chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. It depends on how your teacher organized. So on the left hand side, these are called the channels. Channels are most likely used based on a topic, or if you are in a group, based on what type of group you are in. Okay, so general tab. In a general tab, this is where all your conversation will go. So if you need to speak with your teacher, speak with anyone in class, if it's a particular person, you just type @ and you type up that person's name. So if you want to send a message to your teacher, you put @ and then type up your teacher's name here, and your teacher will get an email automatically saying, oh, this person wants to ask you a question. Okay, if it's a general question, you don't need to mention @ you just type it up, whatever you need to do. So everything goes under post. In class, in the Teams, wherever your teacher make any changes in any of these tabs, everything will show up here under Posts tab. Okay, so under Files, here will be all your files that your teacher is sharing with you, whatever is there. If there is something, it will show up on your screen. If there's nothing, it won't show up. So under Class Notebook, if your teacher is using a class notebook, which is OneNote, it will show up here. If he or she is not using anything, you won't see anything. Okay, so under Assignments, this is the most important tab because that's where you're going to see all your assignments, and this is the place you will be required to hand in your assignments. I hope that's what all the other teachers doing, but this is what I will be doing it. So under the Assignment tabs, you will see all your assignments. It's loading. My internet is a little bit slow. There's one assignment. We should be able to see it here. So here we see one assignment. It's called a Right Triangles Trigonometry Finding Missing Sides. So every assignment will be here. So far there is only one assignment. So you click on that assignment. Depending on a type of assignment that is, it may be this one, will delete this one for now. So it may be a multiple choice assignment. It may be some sort of written work your teacher is asking you. It might be some worksheet teacher is asking you for explanation. Like for this particular worksheet, I will be asking students to do these questions on a separate piece of paper and take a picture, upload your work. So how do you upload your work? So you will see there at the very bottom, there is an option saying add work. So here you have a multiple options. You can upload your assignment from your OneDrive folder. You can create a new file from scratch. Let's say you need to make a PowerPoint presentation. You can do your presentation right here. If there is an English assignment you need to do, you want to type up your essay, you can just create a blank. This is a blank document, so you have to work here. If you just click on that and then just attach it, there's nothing here. It's literally, it's a blank document. If there's a link, maybe your teacher is asking you some sort of research and asking you to attach links here, so that's what you can put it here. Upload from this device, is from your computer or from your phone. Upload it, click open, cancel. So let's say I'm just going to attach this one for now. It's quite a long file. After you attach your file, it will show up here. So I'll show you one more time. Click on add work. Select your assignment from wherever you want to. Again, you can get that from OneDrive. You can create a new file, which will be a blank file. You can upload from your device. So let's say I'm just going to attach this one. Click on that. Click attach. See, it will be here. So you can attach multiple files here. So please make sure you do upload something here. Don't just click on a turn in. If you just click on turn in, it will be a blank document. Your teacher will not get anything. So click on turn in. So once you click on a turn in, wow, that's nice. Okay, so you can go back and make changes if you want. Just do undo, turn in, and then go back and make changes, whatever you need. So you can make changes until your teacher is not done marking it. Okay, so your assignment is done. So under grades, here will be all your grades based on whatever you have done so far. So here is the assignment. It's due tomorrow. This is the name of your assignment. Status is turned in. So that's where you can see if you're missing any assignment. And when your teacher is done marking it, you will see your marks here. So here's a little Wikipedia where you will see structure of your course. Every teacher has a different way. So this is what I have done for my students. This is what you will see if your teacher is using any of the tabs. Okay. So make sure you check all the tabs at the top, whatever the tabs are there. Every teacher has a different one. You may see a poll tab. You may see YouTube or streams. There are tons of tabs here. So just make sure you go through every single tab and see what is the purpose of that. Again, don't be afraid to use the technology. Nothing is going to go wrong with it. Just play around with it. See what you can do. And one thing, if you're in a browser, there's certain things that you cannot access. So make sure, please, download the desktop version. It's limited on your cell phones, it's limited on a browser, so make sure you download it. So how do you download it? On the very left corner, the very top, there's arrow pointing down here. See, when I mouse over it, it says download a desktop app. So click on it, download it, and then you will access everything. Most of the things you will be able to access offline, I believe. Okay. I think this is pretty much all for now. If you do have any questions, please ask your teachers or search online, YouTube it, Google it. I hope you guys are going to enjoy your online learning. And one thing I'm going to mention in behalf of all the teachers, that please don't panic. If you're not able to do your stuff on time and there is some sort of problems, please contact your teachers. We are super flexible in terms of your assignments. Please, again, just stay healthy, happy, take care of yourself, your family, enjoy your time being home, and just relax. Take care. Bye bye.